learners! Welcome to our fun-filled alphabet adventure. Today, we're diving into the amazing world of the letter A.
Our first A word is apple, A for apple. And here comes our next friend, ant, O for ant. Look up to the stars, and who do we find? An astronaut, A for astronaut. Ready, aim, shoot. An arrow hits the mark, A for arrow. Watch out, it's our snappy friend. Alligator, A for alligator. Express yourself with colors just like an artist. A for artist. Time to cook up something delicious with an apron. A for apron. Sail the seas with our next word. Anchor, A for anchor. What's that? It's a seed that grows into an oak tree. Acorn, A for acorn. And of course, let's not forget the alphabet, A for alphabet. Oh, what's this? An ant hill with busy ants? Bravo, everyone! You've just explored the fantastic world of A words. Remember, learning is an adventure and every letter has its own story to tell. Stay tuned for more alphabet explorations. Goodbye for now.